Hey there, it's Sarah with WTI, and I have here your new favorite athletic dress for the summer.
So this super cute dress is from Bayleaf and it has 4 pockets, 2 on the dress and 2 on the shorts underneath. How adorable is it that it comes with these cute shorts? So obviously super comfortable for any sports like golf or tennis, walking, but I just think this is also a really fun addition to your summer wardrobe, even if you just want to wear it without exercising or working out or playing tennis. It's a great length, a real flattering fit. It is roomy on top. I notice it's loose for me under the armpit area. So on the chest, it's got a generous fit, so lots of room there. And the pockets are great. So if you wanted to put tennis balls, then there's plenty of pockets for that, obviously. But I just love anything with pockets. So I find this dress to be very flattering, comfortable, very good for the summer because of the fabric, but also just the swing and the comfort of it is just really adorable. I love this dress.
So this adorable tennis dress is my new favorite addition in my summer wardrobe. When it comes to warm weather, there's nothing better than having a cute little dress that you can throw on, but it also comes with shorts, which make it really comfortable for me, and a ton of pockets. So I always have a place to put my phone or anything else if I want to go for a walk or if I just want to be outside. It's just a great little dress, and I'm totally in love with it. And that is my point of view.